Hello CI scholars, welcome to the math session. Kids, today we will going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, shapes and patterns. In that, first we will see the shapes, okay? Shapes are made from different types of lines. So look at the lines here. Some lines are straight, some lines are curved. Kids, there are so many things or objects in our surrounding which resembles with some kind of shapes. Like your door, it looks like a rectangle. Wall clock, it looks like a circle. Your hanger, it looks like a triangle. And your compost box, it also looks like a rectangle. And pizza slice or a bread slice, it looks like a square. Kids, now first we will see the shape which is square. Okay, square is made from equal and straight line. Four equal straight lines. Correct? And kids, we can see square shape in some of the things like carom board, chessboard and handkerchief. Correct? Now let's see our another shape which is circle. Circle made from the curved lines. And we can see the circle shape in pizza and wall clock and paper plate. Correct? Now let's move on to the another shape which is rectangular shape. Okay, rectangle shape. The examples of rectangle shape are our blackboard, compass box and our book. It looks like a rectangle. Now let's see the another shape which is triangle. And we can see the triangle in some of the objects which are hanger, pizza slice and sandwiches.
Kids, now we have to learn their names. The first is square, Square, square. Then rectangle, Rectangle, rectangle. Circle, circle. Triangle, triangle. Kids, do you heard about the patterns? Patterns are all around us. Pattern means a sequence or series that repeats. Some of your dresses, your mama's saris, or even the curtains have some type of patterns. You have to look carefully, then you will definitely see these type of patterns. So kids, now let us learn more about it. Kids, observe these patterns carefully. So look here, first is the blue square, then triangle, then square, triangle, triangle. Then next is green circle, then green, purple. After that, there is one standing line, sleeping line, then standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. These are all patterns. Kids, here you have to continue this pattern. Okay, the first one is square, square, circle, square. Then what will come next? Which shape will come next? Correct, circle. And then again square. And the second one is, first is triangle, rectangle, then again triangle, rectangle. What will come next? Correct, triangle. Kids, now let's do the latest practice exercise from the student book. Join the dots to make the straight line. Here three dots are there. and you have to make a straight line over it. Okay. The next question is draw a curved line between the dots. Here two dots are there and you have to draw the curved line between these dots like this. Okay. The third question is pick the things that is circle in shape. So kids, here three things are there. Okay. You have to find which thing is circle in shape. Correct. Here the wall clock is circle in shape. So let's tick this one. Then the fourth question is circle the thing that is rectangle in shape. Here the first one is triangle in shape. Then the book, correct. The book is rectangle in shape. So let's circle this one. The fifth question is circle the thing that is square in shape. So kids, here the handkerchief which is square in shape. So let's circle this one. The sixth question is circle the thing that is triangle in shape. So kids, here the pizza slice is there, it is triangle in shape. So let's circle this one. Thank you kids. Bye bye and take care.